Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Rankin and I just wanted to show you a little video tutorial on how to submit an assignment using Google Classroom. So it's fairly easy. I've asked for some help from Mrs. Millen. She's created an assignment for me. So when you go into your Google Classroom, whether it's the math or language or science, you will see an assignment that I will assign to you. Sometimes there will be directions here on what you are supposed to do, maybe some links to read, some articles. You will go through and read what you're supposed to do. There is a section here for adding any questions. So say you have a question about the assignment, you can type it in here, and then you would post it. And that is for everyone to see. I would see it, other students would see it. So if you have a question, make sure you ask it, because there could be other students that have the exact same question as you. So any questions that you want to ask me about the assignment would go here. As for completing the assignment, you would go over here. So here's a document. You would click on it to open. Okay, and here, this is what I would click to show that it is done. So this is assigned to me. Now I want to go to create. Okay, so I want to create a document to complete this assignment. So I click create. Okay, I'm just going to say got that. This is my assignment here. It's created in Google Docs. Now, maybe the assignment needs you to create a Google slide. You can choose that here, or a sheet, or drawings, but I just created a Google Doc for this assignment. It has my name on it, and it has the name of the assignment. Okay, so I'd open that up, and I would complete the assignment here. Okay, so I would go through, I would answer all the questions that need to be answered. Sometimes the questions will be here or the instructions will be here and you would just fill it out. When I am done, I'm going to go up here to this button here and I'm going to click Turn In. This means that I will get a notification as the teacher that you are done. Okay, if you're not done, Google Docs does save, so you could always close this and come back to it, but make sure you come back to this document to turn it in. Okay, do not create a new document and then email it to me, because it will get lost in my emails. It will be hard to find. Make sure you're always using the turn in button. So I'm just going to turn that in. Okay, so it's just asking, do I want to turn this in? Yes, I do. Turn in. And now it is submitted. So if I go back to my homeroom, or go back to the homeroom. Okay, and I click on the first week assignment. It shows that it is turned in, okay? I believe you can unsubmit if you wanted to. You really had to go back and edit it, but you should have already done your editing and revising before then. So anyways, this is just a little tutorial on how to turn in assignments on Google Classroom. Thanks guys. Bye.